The euphoria of day trading stocks is undeniable. Earning from the comfort of your home seems far more exciting than the most 9 to 5 gigs. You can be free. You can live and work anywhere in the world. You can be independent from routine and not answer to anybody. There are few events that can match the emotional high that comes with a huge profit earned solely by the efforts of a single person. Trading doesn't just reveal your character, it also builds it if you stay in the game long enough. However, many day traders are addicted to the action, and making money has little to do with their true reason for trading. These individuals are not traders, they are gamblers. Action addicts lose as many times as necessary just for the adrenaline rush to win once. The single most important reason that people lose money in the markets is that they don't cut their losses short. Letting a loss drag on is really damaging to your mind. It shatters your confidence and makes you want to slap yourself. Take the loss and save your soul. However, do note that trading can be very exciting and rewarding given you understand the foundations of the market and know what you are doing. Without analysis, trading would pretty much resemble gambling. You can make a sound trading decision only if you have previously analyzed the market. However, successful trading is about behavioral change. When the inner struggle ends, everything else will fall in place. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. Do not sugarcoat your failures. Try to understand and accept your mistakes and work on your trader's psychology. Do not define yourselves by a single trade. Let losses be a learning for you. Do not be embarrassed by your failures. Learn from them and start again. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Don't overthink on the losses you made today, but concentrate on the hard work and introspect yourselves again and again and again to understand where you went wrong. Keep thinking about what your life could be in 5 to 10 years from now if you perfect this skill. Also, there is no single market secret to discover, no single correct way to trade the markets. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. So understand your personality and try to find a competitive edge. And most importantly, work hard to perfect it. Michael Jordan, the NBA Hall of Famer, once said, "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game's winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed." You need to understand one thing. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Sometimes you need to spend time crawling along through the shadows to truly appreciate what it is to stand in the sun. Sweat harder. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Take a deep breath and continue on your journey. You will get there for sure. Have faith in yourselves. Faith is why you're doing this today. And faith is what will make you go through to the other side.